Let's look at how to turn on and off the light. Take the power module and the light. Fix them on the board. Now take two cables to connect the power and the light. Once the connection is done, the light is on. But we don't want to keep the light on all the time. Let's add a switch. It's a bit hard when you try to take the switch out for the first time. Put the other hand below to push it up. Let's connect the light and the switch. Now we need an extra cable to connect the power and the switch. This is the 3-directional cable. Let's get another one. Now we can turn on and turn off the light. Turn on, turn off. Let's remove this switch and try a different switch. When you press, the light will be switched on. When you release, the light will go off.